Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reset your Leadpages account detailed guide step by step clearly. To reset your Leadpages account, start by navigating to the Leadpages login page. Enter your registered email address in the provided field. Click on the Forgot Password link located beneath the password entry box. You will be redirected to a page asking for your email. Re-enter your email address and click on the Reset Password button. Check your email inbox for a password reset email from Leadpages. If you don't see it, be sure to check your spam or junk folder. Open the email and look for the password reset link. Click on the link, which will take you to a new password creation page. Choose a strong, secure password that meets the requirements outlined. Enter your new password in the designated field. Confirm your new password by typing it again in the next box. Once completed, click on the Submit button to save your new password. You should receive a confirmation that your password has been successfully reset. Now, return to the Leadpages login page. Enter your email and the new password you just created. Click the Login button to access your account. If successful, you will be taken to your Leadpages dashboard. Your account has now been reset, and you can start using it again. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.